In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse an unclaimed PayPal payment. If you've sent a PayPal payment by mistake, or you simply need to stop a payment that hasn't been accepted yet, the good news is that unclaimed payments can usually be cancelled directly from your account. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for so you can reverse it quickly and confidently. To begin, open PayPal and sign into your account. Once you're in, go to your Activity tab. Or in some versions, you may land on the Home tab where your recent transactions are also visible. This is the section where PayPal lists your payment history, including completed, pending, and unclaimed transactions. Take a moment to scroll through your recent activity and find the payment you want to reverse. When you locate the unclaimed PayPal payment, click on it to open the transaction details. This is an important step because you want to make sure you're selecting the correct payment before taking any action. On the details page, PayPal will show more information about that transaction, such as its status and related payment information. If the payment is still unclaimed, you should also see a Cancel button available on this screen. Go ahead and click Cancel. This tells PayPal that you want to stop the payment before it's accepted by the recipient. After you confirm the cancellation, the payment will be refunded back to your PayPal balance. In most cases, this happens quite quickly, but it's still a good idea to double-check your balance afterward just to make sure the refund has been processed. That's really all there is to it. The key thing to remember is that this only works for payments that are still marked as unclaimed. If the payment has already been accepted, the cancel option usually won't appear, and you may need to contact the recipient directly to request a refund instead. As a quick tip, always review the payment status before assuming it can be reversed. Looking closely at the transaction details can help